Om Shanti. Greetings of peace. As we are moving towards the end of 2020 and entering into the year 2021, mixed feelings are emerging in the hearts of people around the world. How is the year 2020 going to be? Is it going to be a good year or a bad year? Will it be a year in which the COVID will continue onwards? Are we going to be locked down in the same way? So all these kinds of thoughts are creating fear, anxiety, worry in the minds of people. We all know that thoughts, the first of all thought comes into our mind, and thought becomes feelings. Feelings become attitude and spreads into the atmosphere. So why not I begin to think in a positive way instead of questioning myself whether it is going to be bad or good? Let me create positive thoughts in my mind, visualizing that the year 2021 is going to be a very happy year, a very powerful year, a very challenging year. So my thoughts will lead me to my destination. See, it is always said, thoughts are inevitable. Thinking is optional. You must always remember, you have a choice to think. There are 4 types of thoughts that comes on the screen of our mind. Necessary thoughts, unnecessary thoughts, waste thoughts, negative thoughts, and positive thoughts. You have a choice to choose what you want to think in your life at any particular time. According to the choice you make, you create that kind of feelings. So I would like to inspire all of you to prepare yourself for the new year by bringing this kind of newness, by changing your pattern of thoughts, taking responsibility of your own thoughts, and choose the positive thoughts. Because it is said that, thoughts can become things. Because when your thoughts are powerful, it can materialize very easily. So let us prepare ourselves for the year 2021, even in advance, by creating an optimistic attitude. An optimistic attitude means seeing the bright side of things, seeing the positive side of things from now onwards, so that our vibrations, our atmosphere that we create surrounds not only me, and it can spread out into the world. And this is what they call as making my mind my best friend. That is what I would like to tell you, that let us make our mind our best friend in the year 2021, and let us experiment in the first month of January to always think positive, so that I am able to create that positive energy that surrounds me, and then I can emit that positive energy to my whole body, my family, my street, and my country. And what it means to actually think positive? It means 3 things. Any situation that comes in front of you, don't look at it as a problem, but look at it as a challenge. Because then you will find the energy that within yourself will emerge to face the challenge and you will go through. Secondly, also thinking positive means to look at every difficulty as an opportunity. So when you are given an opportunity to do something, you are so happy, isn't it? So let us change our attitude towards difficulty into opportunity. And very important thing we should practice from now onwards before the new year comes to change our own way of thinking is not to react, to respond. Because every time you react to a person, you react to a situation, you have lost a lot of energy within yourself. And so you become weak and the situation can swallow you easily. And so try not to react. React means emotional, not thinking. But instead responding means to think before you speak, to think before you act, so there is no repentance. And so in that way, I am able to restore the energy of my mind. You see, what we need in our life is a lot of mental energy. Because mental energy not only sustains me, in a mental way, but it also helps me to keep my physical health, my well-being. And so my wish to all of you, even before the new year begins, so let us bring this habit to, first of all, look at every situation as a challenge, every situation as an opportunity, and respond to it, be an optimistic, so that I am able to see the benefit in everything that is happening. The question mark that could have come into my mind will change into full stop automatically. In order to practice this art of positive thinking for the month of January, especially, you can experiment. I would like to give you 3 prescriptions. If you like, you can follow them and see the result for yourself. The first prescription is to, when you wake up every morning, whenever you wake up, always wake up with one positive thought. I am going to be happy today. I am going to be peaceful today. Whatever positive, affirmative thought you have in mind, and then spend 10 minutes pondering over that positive thought. So it is like you are sowing the seed of positive thought for the day, for the tree to grow. So you have already empowered yourself for the day by giving that quality time to yourself. Never wake up in the morning with a worry or fear, what's going to happen today. Leave all of that old habits aside. Start a new habit, because when you create a new habit and repeat it, it becomes your sanskara. And sanskara change will bring change in our sansara, And so first prescription is this, to start your day with one positive thought and spend 10 minutes with it. And then the second prescription is that it is very important in our fast life to stop 1 minute every hour, just for a few seconds, pause, and remind yourself of the positive thought you had begun your day with. Whatever it could be, I am peace, I am child of ocean of peace, I am the resident of land of peace, I am a peaceful soul. Just to remind yourself. And the third prescription is that before you go to bed, usually people go to bed watching television, reading newspaper, quarreling with each other, and then when they go to sleep, they have nightmares. So instead, just for this month of January, experiment to slow down your thoughts before you go to bed, and then spend a few minutes looking at your day's routine, what has been the day today like, and surrender whatever has happened to God. Ask for forgiveness if you had made a mistake. Ask for forgiveness from others if they have done something to you. Also forgive them. So in essence, what is important is my slate should be clean. I should make myself totally clear in my mind as I go to bed with the last thought, good night to God. And you will see the wonder when you wake up, you will be very fresh. And naturally, your first thought will be the positive thought. I think, each and every one of us have to start this kind of practice before the new year arrives. Because if I begin to make a resolution on the new year day, the day has already passed. So we thought that it is a nice idea to prepare ourselves in advance so that we create a kind of fortress around ourselves. We can be protected and we can also protect others. Lastly, I just would like to give you a formula to practice for the month of January. You can experiment and see how it works. So think less, think slowly, and think positive. Think only that you want to speak, and speak only that you want to do. So when you practice this formula, you will see that your thoughts, words, and action become identical. As a result of that, you get 3 benefits. Others will begin to trust you. You gain confidence within yourself, and God helps. I wish all of you will take it up as your personal mission and try to practice it from today itself in preparation for welcoming the year 2021. Thank you. Om Shanti.